Looking for dependable toner cartridges that deliver crisp, professional quality prints without breaking the bank? The Easy Ink compatible TN229XL toner cartridges offer an affordable replacement option designed specifically for brother printers like the MFCL3720CDW, MFCL3780CDW, and HLL3280CDW. If consistent print quality and smooth operation matter to you, these cartridges deserve a closer look. I switched to Easy Ink's TN229XL cartridges after struggling with overpriced originals that didn't last long. What stood out immediately was the sharpness of both text and images. No smudges or fading even after heavy use. The toner powder is refined to ensure vibrant colors in cyan, magenta, and yellow, plus deep blacks, so every document looks polished and professional. Each pack includes 4 cartridges: black, cyan, magenta, and yellow, all with integrated chips for seamless compatibility. You'll get about 3,000 pages from the black cartridge and roughly 2,300 pages from each color cartridge, based on 5% coverage of A4 paper. That means fewer replacements and less downtime, which adds up to real savings over time. Installation is straightforward, but keep in mind the drum unit isn't included. You'll need to remove your old toner cartridge from the drum before inserting the new one. This step keeps your printer running smoothly and ensures the best print results. The user guide included in the package makes this process quick and hassle-free. What changes when you choose Easy Ink? You get high-quality prints without the premium price tag, compatibility with a wide range of Brother laser printers, and a reliable page yield that supports your everyday printing needs. Plus, the consistent performance means less frustration and more time focusing on what matters. If you're tired of running out of toner unexpectedly or paying too much for replacements, these cartridges offer a practical solution. They're worth a look if you want to maintain excellent print quality while controlling costs. Whether for home, office, or small business use, they deliver dependable results every time. Ready to upgrade your printing experience? The Easy Ink compatible TN229XL toner cartridges make switching easy and affordable. Try them when you're ready to enjoy sharp text, vibrant colors, and hassle-free compatibility with your Brother printer lineup.